Man, these instructions suck. I'm glad I'm making this video. God almighty. Hey, welcome back, Van here. In this video, we're going to be going over this new Pittsburgh low profile 3-ton floor jack. I got this thing so I can put shocks on my truck. The jack I've got now is not big enough. So we're going to do an unboxing here and see what all you get. And if there's any assembly, we're going to take care of that too. Then I'll give you my impression of what I think about this. I've got a friend of mine that already owns one of these, and he says it's really great. So that's what made my decision of whether to get this or not. It's just by what he said, but right off the bat I can tell you this mother son of a gun is heavy. I mean, it feels like it weighs 3 tons instead of it picking up 3 tons. So the minimum height this thing will go is a little over 3 inches, and the maximum is almost 20 inches high. We're gonna give this thing a what for? So this thing cost $114 today at Arbor Freight. There's not any instructions in here that I can see to even put this thing together, but just using my common sense, you've got 2 parts of the handle. You got one with a little quick connect right here. You just push that in and slide it together. This, not sure, but I believe this is on here. You would think it'd be for a handle, but I believe it's so that whenever you're going up with it, it's not going to hit your bumper and scratch it or whatever. In the end of your handle, you can see it's got a square right here. That square lines up inside here. The instructions say there's a set screw, right? Well, it's right here on the bottom. It's pretty loose. You want to loosen that up, we'll be able to stick the handle in now. All right, so we're going to take this and slide it in where that square was I was showing you. All right, now we're going to tighten up this screw on the bottom. That just came out. I unscrewed it too much, I guess. Yeah, we'll tighten that up. Maybe we'll get us a wrench and snug it up later. All right, it's not going to move. And it's something that I couldn't find in the instruction manual about. This right here. I couldn't find anything in there about it. Pull that out. You want to turn it all the way to the right. Now she's going jack. Turn it all the way to the left to let it down. If you need to add oil to this, which you shouldn't have to do anything right out of the box, there's 4 screws. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. They're Phillips head, which is not what this is. You know that. You want to take this cover off, and there's a fill screw right down off in here. Well, we wasn't going to take this off, but you can't see inside there, and I want you to see what it looks like. Where you put the fluid in at. Shouldn't have to do anything with this. We're going to crank the truck, jack the truck up here in a second. Let us both see how well it jacks the truck up. All right, let's get in here. Before you take the screw out, you want to turn this thing counterclockwise to release the pressure on it. The fill screw is right here. You want to use a flathead screwdriver, take that out, top it off with fluid, put it back in, turn your handle to the right, clockwise. That's going to allow it to jack back up. Now we're going to put the screws back in this cover. All right. Got good wheels on it. Come on, baby. Get that tire up. Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Oh, easy peasy. Let's go. Here we go. Ah, come on. A little bit more. I'm gonna stop right there because it's not really on level ground. I don't like the way that it's sitting. It'd be different if it was in there on my carport. It wouldn't be like that. So let's just let this thing down real slowly. Go counterclockwise. All right. Yeah. So that's what this is for. That protects, that right there protects your car. Like that. All right. Thanks for being on my channel. My channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and product reviews. Whew, I'm out of breath. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. If you got any questions, leave it down in the comment section. I answer all the comments. At least I try to. See y'all. You.